Think back on all you did yesterday. Count the number of decisions you made, from the route you took to get to the parking lot, to how much you were going to study for a class. Big decisions and small decisions. A mindset is a lens through which you view a situation. This lens asks you to hit the pause button so you can collect information and assess alternatives. Let's think of a decision we all have to make at some point. Where are we going to live? An analytical mindset requires us to begin by identifying the decision to be made. The first step that we want to look at is collecting some information to help us make a more informed decision. And we have a number of tools we can use to do that. One of those tools is a decision-making matrix. So then, after we've collected the information, we want to organize the information into these categories around our different alternatives. So what are some of the options of where you might choose to live?
So I'm deciding between a 2-bedroom apartment, a 3-bedroom apartment, and maybe a house.
Finally, after we've completed the decision-making matrix, we look at each alternative and evaluate which will be best for us. So now you should be thinking about questions such as, okay, what do I prefer? What will work best for my roommates? And how will we make the final decision?
Wait, so how do I use an analytical mindset beyond making decisions like where to live, or maybe where to work? Does it have any application like when I'm making other kinds of decisions?
We can absolutely use an analytical mindset in just about any situation we find ourselves in. Many people assume that someone is better at analytics because of who they are. The reality is that you can get better at applying the analytical mindset over time through practice in every decision scenario, every problem-solving situation, and then reflecting upon what you've done.